Okay guys, what we have is the final product. What we did was we transitioned our guest's i9 12th gen with a Z79 motherboard. That's a tough Wi-Fi label motherboard. We took that out of an old Fractal case, put it in a new one. What he wanted was to add an extra drive. He didn't bring a cooler. So just to make sure, we have a small note. If you don't have the right cooler, just match up your cooler's socket to your chip socket and then it'll mount properly. Otherwise, if it doesn't and you try to rig it, it will cause problems. Your computer will break and you'll have critical issues. Please don't do this if you don't know what you're doing. Ask for consultation. We offer some small advice if you call 281-647-9977. Thanks y'all. Have a great weekend.